Consider the limit as x goes to -2 of the fraction 2 plus x over the quantity square root of 27 plus x minus 5. In order to simplify the radical term, we need to use the conjugate expression. It is clear that we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of square root of 27 plus x minus 5, which is square root of 27 plus x plus 5. As a result, we have to expand and simplify the whole expression using basic algebraic techniques. The problem becomes, limit as x goes to -2 of the quantity 10 plus 5x plus 2 plus x times the square root of 27 plus x over the quantity 2 plus x. It is clear that we factorize the numerator and denominator in order to find a potential common factor, then simplify the common factor. Consequently, when we plug -2 in the new expression, we find out that the limit is 10.